Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We're going to talk about what's happening in the markets, and tomorrow is going to be a big day with all the different meetings happening, and we are going to rock out. We're going to shill and we're going to chill, and we're going to take everything to the moon. We're going to talk about some of these new meme projects that are out there, and we're going to talk about what's on CoinMarketCap. So we're going to dive right in. Give me a second. Okay, guys, mad love, mad respect. Let me just go ahead and get you guys, Twitter team, in there so you guys can rock out crypto, chill and shill with J Strategies, rocking out, bringing you the latest and greatest crypto news, altcoins, meme coins, and everything else in between. I just want to chill and just teach you guys a couple things. Learn how to trade crypto and make passive income. So that could be our, discussion. We're going to look at the crypto, and then let's talk about how you can earn and make passive income on all the different farms that are out there. So there's all these different ways to live off crypto, and it is awesome. And I just wanted to chat with you guys, shill and chill with Jay. And we're just gonna hang out, and I'm gonna drop some stuff. We talk about some things and rock out. So chill and chill live with Jay. Okay? And then come in and say Miku, and we talk. Also, any others you want. Okay, so there we go. We're going to talk about meme coins. So anybody that drops anything inside the chat, we can talk about those. I know. Okay, so Miku, we want to talk about Miku. We want to talk about Piggy Inu and everything that's on CoinMarketCap that is trending. So let's see more. Let's see the trending list for CoinMarketCap. And you guys know that everybody wants their project to go onto the trending list. When CMC, when CG. You know, if you start a project off and you get it onto here and then it pumps and then pulls back down, it can destroy projects. So you got to come up with the right strategy, okay, when you're building your projects. All right? The best way to go about it is utilize the socials and make sure you get things in place. You want to under promise and over deliver, okay? And then you also want to be able to have good marketing funds at your disposal to use it to do marketing pushes on the days that we have green days. So say we have a green day, we're on a Binance project, that's when I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop it at the New York Open and at 3 p.m. for the New York session, because those are the busiest times in the session. When we have a day that's a red day, that's a day that we could fall back and just raid. You know what I'm saying? So it's always good to have an advisor and watch the markets, and also to have the chats that you are making for your group. If somebody comes in and they're negative, you want to turn them to be positive. So let's see what we have here as far as some trending tokens. And then let me just come back. Actually, let me come into this chat so that way I can see on this side here. Let me just pull into here so I can see the chat. I'm going to do it that way, so that way I can see anything inside the chat box. Okay. You want to turn them to be positive. So let me just drop this, and then okay. Yeah, 88. You guys are always here rocking, man. So, yep, you ended up getting it right at that level. when we talked about that, we could actually go look at it real quick. Alright, so pull back a little bit. Alright, 128. And then all it's going to need is just a little bit of marketing and some calls, and we're going to pop back up because this went out to $1 million market cap. Alright, let me go to the 1 hour chart, okay, and show you guys the potential of this. You know what I'm saying? The liquidity is at 16K, 62 BNB, so the ratio of liquidity to market cap is good. So that means that once we grow the price floor on that token, or however they decide to do it, big sells won't affect the chart as much. So that's a good ratio. And building use case, and they built a locker, and let's see what the dev comes up with next. I want to see some good use case on these tokens. I've been in another one I want to look at real quick. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, Libero. Now I got in Libero in the beginning, and I had a big bag, and every day I was only taking a little bit, or every couple days, like 1%, 2%, and I made out nicely. This project has been good, and they've been doing a lot of things, and their site is rocking. So it seems like, you know, they're really trying to put a lot of products out there. Because when you have a project, okay, you launch, and then you need products, you need use case. So first, when you launch, the best thing to start with is liquidity pairs. You want to be able to have a pair. You want to have your token paired with BNB, USDT, and BUSD if you're on Binance. And if you're on Solana blockchain, you're going to want to be with that. You know, you want to have those pairs. And you can use all the different swap sites they have. Me personally, okay, I use Babyswap. And I've been using Babyswap ever since they started. They're a little bit over a year old, and I still have some of my farms that I haven't fully exited, and I always, you know, find opportunities. So let's go to earn real quick and see. I like to earn baby farms. If you're a big bag holder and you just want to set it and forget it, the best is the baby USDT and the baby BNB, okay, because that's their main native token. So those will be the farms that I would have. Less risk with the USDT, and then baby BNB obviously, and then baby usually has a nice price floor. I can actually show you here. It did have a little bit of a dip, and I loaded my bag up because when that happens and then the market goes bullish, baby comes back bullish. So let's go to the 4 hour chart for baby, and we can see that we had pulled back to 7. Yeah, it pulled to 6, and then came up to 7 right there. So that was definitely a good, you know, like a good thing for loading. Okay, and then also you got stablecoin farms, you know, so we can take a look at that. Another place that's really, really cool, and I found this, and I want to show you guys, okay, is Polka. All right, let's see here. Got something in the works. Okay. All right, so that's Polka. And then that's what I wanted to do this to show, you know, different you know, passive income that you can earn. I want to get to the main site here and show you guys. There's settings. Okay, so that's for when you're swapping. Alright, that's cool. You can set it all. You can log out, invest. That was just like an old wallet that I had, but look, invest. Now they have a bunch of different farms, man, and you can really look at the APYs, okay? And it's linked through Babyswap, so you would be going to Baby Farm and providing the liquidity, and then coming over here. So for instance, like the baby BNB, okay, would be, you could come here and you could see that it compounds every, you know, 6 days into the 7th day. And then also you will get your Polka off of there. So what I do is I get the LP token, and you can use it like that. They have a bunch of different pools that you can use, okay, and you know, they're pretty cool. They're you provide liquidity to like Babyswap, Apeswap, and then you take your LP token and you stake it there. you know. And then you also have Polka, which is on main Polka, okay, and it tells you here your daily return 0.21. So if you think about it, and and say if you have 500 bucks times 2 1, okay, that's $1.05 a day. So that's not too bad, you know. That's not too bad for you know, for earning. So that is definitely not too bad for earning. Okay, let's see what else. I just want to be able to show you guys, okay, how we rock out. All right. So that's the farm. I just want to show that on the calculator, and then Babyswap. So these are the main Babyswap farms, okay? You can see here they have them, and then they have earn altcoin. But mainly, if you go to earn alt, stake baby, you go to vault, and where the vault is, there's some high interest rates that end up, you know, coming in here, and they're gonna end up, you know, doing more and more LPs. There was a bunch of them. Look at that. And then they're gonna add more. These all finish. Okay. And there's still a live one here. Live. Okay. So this is still live. And then this is earn stake token. Let's see what that is. Let's see. STAKE. Let's see if I can just pull it up right here. Stake token. This might be Babyswap, or this is, oh, that's what Pancake Swap. I can see that. So I just wanted to see what kind of token is that. Key token actually. Yep, they're done with the key token. Milk now is another farm that you can have on Babyswap. Okay. Let's check the milk price. It fluctuates. This is on a 1 hour chart. It's down a little bit because the market was down, but they still have a farm up on their main farms. Okay, they have Fun, Lucky Baby, okay, and their NFTs. Lucky Baby. Why can't I go onto it? Okay, Lucky Baby. Click on that. Okay, so you get tasks, you get your scratch card, and then you get your rewards, and then that's how that works. And then that's how that works. So you can get it by doing that. So that's the fun part. NFT gameplay. Let's see what else can we talk about. Here we go. Yes. Oh, yeah, the farms definitely a good thing to do here. Let me drop my tags real quick. Okay, I just want to grab some of these, some hashtags. Alright, let me grab these hashtags and I'm just going to drop it on Twitter real quick. Alright. Let me drop it over here. And then we're going to do this. Okay, so, yep, definitely. Let me come on back over to here. Where are we at right now? Okay, so we are on Twitter. We popped that off. Definitely has some bullish stuff. Let's go stop over and look at Twitter real quick. Alright, so today's main video, not too bad. And we had done some posts for Miku. Let's see. Nice retweet numbers. We love it. Thanks for the support, guys. You guys rock. And I just wanted to teach you guys about some of these some of these farming things. Alright, so we talked about that, and let's go ahead and take a look at Apeswap. Alright, Apeswap is another spot where you can earn passive income. Alright, So that's what your main goal is you want to take your money and you want to DCA in, and then you want to earn that passive income, but you don't want to be too risky. So these main sites like Pancake, Baby, Banana, they have their own native token, and that is like their main farm, you know. So you can see some of the APYs for banana farms. So look, we have stake. There's staking pools. Let's see what kind of staking pools we have. Okay, so that percentages are pretty good, you know, not too bad on the percentages. This one's been popping up a lot lately. I want to actually check out the price of that. Hot cross. Let me see something. Hot cross. And then let's see. Let me go to Pancake Swap so I can just look at that. All right. So hot cross actually had a. Oh wow. Okay. So it pumped up and it pulled back down. I wonder why. So I would want to probably look into that more. I was actually going to add onto the farm that was on Pancakeswap, so you could see the farms. Now farms and pools are different. Pools are staking one token and then earning. Farms where you stake two tokens. So you stake cake and BNB, equal percentage, 50%. So say you have $100, $50 cake, $50 BNB. Their main farm here is their core farm. Then you have the BUSD BNB. Okay, let's go here and see high APR farms. Look, hot cross is still here, and it's pretty good. I wonder of how long that's gonna be. That farms that are gonna be out. Let's go ahead and look. Let's go ahead and look deeper. Okay. Into these farms. So let's see. SHELL Shell token. All right. I've been seeing these around. So you actually have core farms and you have farm auctions. You know. So by having the auctions. All right. We're gonna go back to the charts like we said we would. Look at this. Sydney just opened, right? Let me go to the 1 hour. Or actually, let's go to the 30-minute so I can show you. Look at this. Sydney just opened, and they're pulling up Bitcoin a little bit. You can see in these boxes of trading, okay, the green box, the red box are different sessions. This is the hybrid system. Okay, the hybrid system is a trading system that uses this. So everything you got, I'm gonna talk to you about it right now. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, let's talk about the chart. Let's talk about the chart and let's talk about live now. Live now, teaching crypto. Okay, yeah, come join the live stream. Okay, so here it is. Copy, and then let me just drop it. Paste. And then drop meme coins in chat, and we will take a look. Okay. Drop meme coins in chat, and we will take a look. Alrighty. So let me go over here and then come into here and we got, okay, so alright. Okay, so we have here, and then we have, okay, so yeah, alright, yeah, we'll look at XRP and we'll look at Solana. Okay, let's go look at XRP. We talk about XRP in all of our live streams, and you can go back in our other videos, and you can see that we always talk about XRP, and we love using the hybrid system because we watch these charts. We have our moving average, 50 moving average, we have our 200 moving average, and we have our 800, okay? Those are the main things that we pay attention to. We pay attention to the daily open and the psychological levels. Psychological low and high for the week. So those are set on Sunday. So we pulled down below these, okay? And you can see when we keep riding and hitting the 50, okay? Until we break above the 50 and then come back and retest to continue to the upside, that's when we're bullish. Now let me just give you an example. When we had this move to the upside, you see how we broke above the moving averages? We tested it, and then we kept tested it, tested it, tested it. That's how we continued to the upside. So that was definitely, you know, some bullish move. But then what happened is it came down and we went below the 200 and we popped above. Okay. And then that's the other day we were talking about it, right when it failed, you know? Right when the Bitcoin pulled below the 200 and the 50, all the way down below the 800, and then it couldn't break back above, okay? Let me put the volume so I can just see some volume. Okay. So this pull to the downside had a lot of volume, you know? A lot of volume on the pull to the downside, so, you know, people were, that's what they were doing, man. Alright, I'm just looking at some chat stuff here. Okay, now, did we actually go put this on Twitter? Did we drop the tweet? Yeah, we dropped the tweet. Okay, Shill and chill. Alright, so here's the X&P. Okay, and then now Sydney's open. We're pulling above the 50. And this is where we can watch what's happening here. Alright, pulling above the 50. We're on the 30 minute. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, and on the 30, we're right at the 50. Okay, lower time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute and start looking for some patterns. Okay, so okay, so with the volume, and we're pulling right above now. Now what I want to see is a retest of this moving average. So we ended up falling below it, and we ended up riding right on the 50 on this 5 minute, and then we pumped, pulled right back, and then pumped again. What I want to see is the more volume with continuation to the upside. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, so we are, okay, this red vector candle, which was right here, we are in right above it, and then we tested it. We covered the green vector candle right here. We recovered that green vector. And let's see what else. Okay. And it looks like, yeah, they're pulling above the beginning of the session to pull up. Now, is this going to be a real move, or is this going to be a false move, a pump to get people to want to go long, and then we pull back, okay? So let's go to the 30, and let's see some levels here. Okay, so we got the M1 pivot zone right here at 20.5, okay? So if we get and reject it right now at this 50 EMA at 21,170, okay, then we can go back down to the level right here where it says L week low, which would be 20.7. We want to see it hold above this 21, and that's what I'm sitting and watching right now. We're just chilling and we're watching to see what's gonna happen. So in these boxes, you can go over here to indicators, and then you type in traders reality. Okay, and then that's the indicator right there, and then this has everything that you need. Okay, everything that you need. You got your vector candles, you got your boxes for the sessions, okay? You got Tokyo session coming in, and the Brinks in the beginning of the session, the whole New York session, and now Sydney, okay? So, and there's big news coming out, okay, for Bitcoin coming up. Let's go ahead and just roll through this. All right, Bitcoin could keep falling. The state of crypto in 3 themes. Okay, the man who lost. Bitcoin prices. Okay. And then let's go. Let me go to all, and then let me go. And then let me see. Let me see like this. Okay, it does go right to news. Okay. The recent crypto has many. Yeah, first-time investors. A lot of people that came into crypto for the first time, you know, ended up having a problem. And yeah, man, so we're talking about shilling and rating, and yeah, it's basically you got to follow along when you're inside the chat, man. We do live shilling and live rating every day. You know, you just got to follow the trend and follow the rate. So basically what you do is you hop into the group, you go to Twitter, okay, and you grab whatever tweet, okay, and you shill. So I just want to go over real quick, keep going over that, and then in a second, actually I can show you how I would go about, you know, about how I go about shilling. And I can show you that. We talked about farms, and then talking about shilling and rating, but it looks like, okay, so Bitcoin is tapping that range right there. Okay, and all right, so it's tapping that range right there. Okay. I do live raids. Tomorrow I'll do a live shill raid. Live now. Talking crypto. I could talk about shilling a bit too. Yeah, I can talk about shilling too, and how to do that properly. First, you're going to want to get hashtags. So, what you want to get, you can go and see, type in crypto. And you get your crypto hashtags. So there's a bunch of different ones that have sites, but you know, just to give you an example, just go through it and then see, like on here, you can see all your hashtags. And then also in the group, I'm going to show you how to get hashtags in the group. Okay, and then that gives you these hashtags. Alright, so you can take these hashtags, and then as we drop raid tweets, okay, so what I'm going to do here is, as we drop raid tweets, so for instance, if you were going to raid the tweet, you're going to go onto Twitter, okay? And then you come and say you want to raid a gem tweet. So you see today's crypto gems. There's a whole bunch of these tweets out there. So what you would do is you would copy the hashtags and stuff, and then you would go here to the comments, and then you would drop the tags in the comments. And what we do is we drop raids all day long. That's pretty much, you know, what we, you know, we have our main, there's like main raiders and main raiders and chillers and stuff like that. But you can see how, you know, there's gems, and then you can see BSC gem tweets. All right, and then you can actually see, you know, everybody is. So I just like everybody that does it, and then you could just go to, and then when you start following a bunch of people, or you just go to home, you can see. No, it's phemex. You can see all these different tweets and how, you know, old they are, how young they are. So, you know, what I do is I take a tweet, and let's see, for instance, 20 minutes ago, Crypto, I copy, okay, and then I go here, and then I paste, read, okay, and then you click on that and take the links, okay, and then you post them. So that's pretty much it, man. And you'll see during certain times it gets really busy with the rating, and the main important ones, okay, are Man Love Miku. So close to 500 retweets, mad love, and then see, I just post that in there, and we rock out from there. Okay, and then that's pretty much, you know, pretty much it on shilling. It's easy to do. And then what I did here is I went to Bitcoin, and I want to see actually what are the top tweets for Bitcoin right now, and then that can show me which ones are the top tweets for Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go through these tweets, and then we can see what is bullish right now for Bitcoin. Okay, just give me 1 second here. I just gotta get my paperwork all settled here. Alright, okay, fixed. I had a little technical difficulty for a second, and I'm gonna hop into more of these tweets. I'm gonna hop into them, and we're gonna look at the Bitcoin tweets. Okay. So fact, 10 years ago today, Bitcoin was $8.90. Okay, wow. Yeah, oh. I actually want to raid to get some people in. into the live stream. Let me see here. Shill chat. Alright, I just want to pull that up and drop that some more. And then we can keep it moving. Keep it moving. So we are on the Bitcoin Twitter page. So let's see what we have posted. 10 years ago today, Bitcoin was $8.90. Extreme demand for Bitcoin at 20K. So there's a lot of demand for Bitcoin at 20K. So yeah, a lot of volume and a lot of actually what I wanted to do is I want to do come to Cointelegraph and post that. Cointelegraph. I wanted to post that. Okay. Perfect. Alright. And we are here chilling. And then we can go ahead and see what's going on the news here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Okay. Alright, so yeah. We were going through, and now let's look and see what they have on Telegram. Okay, so Telegram, Bitcoin price struggles to defend 21K as Coinbase faces new SEC wrath. Wow. Okay. And then let's go to news. Bitcoin. And then go over here. And let me see. I want to Shill and raid this. Let me go ahead and hit that for that, and then grab some of these hashtags. Yeah, you could do, you know. You can do all these and always save like a page with your hashtags, and then you can keep them, you know. And then that way, yeah, perfect. And then you just chill and chill. Alright, so this is Bitcoin price falls under 21K, bringing more capitulation or just consolidation. So, multiple indicators and on-chain metrics reflect, okay. Consolidation, the cost of Bitcoin on the rise, major chains, IMF sees Bitcoin dip. Okay. It says Bitcoin can still go to 7 figures in 5 years' time. Interesting, what they say there. Very interesting. What else we got on here? Okay. I got these over here on it, which is pretty good. We're rocking out with that one. That's really that works out good for us. And then for Shill and Chill for crypto news. I like doing the live streams for you guys because you guys get to interact, you know? So this is crypto news. Alright, let's see what else is going on here. Bitcoin person, Justin, addresses and profit have dropped below 50%. So that's interesting. Okay. Bitcoin under 20k, you deserve to be followed on Twitter. If you brought anything. Sure did. At the Moon Carl. Yeah. And see what other kind of big news is out there. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin prices, market wrap up. Okay, let's just see the state of crypto. So that's this CoinDesk. Let's go ahead and see. All right. So these are just the different episodes, and then that was just a host. So that was a play. So you have to go through and play the newsletters. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and skim through CoinMarketCap. Okay, so let's go ahead and see most visited. Bitcoin, cat girl. Okay, cat girl token. Let's go ahead and hop in there. That's the most viewed. Interesting. Okay. So for any of you cat girl token holders, you can see the chart. Okay, a lot of volatility on the chart. We got Bitcoin moving up a little bit, guys. Okay, so we're tapping right underneath that 50 EMA right there. So that is okay. That's on the 30-minute. I want to see. Let me go to the 15-minute and see what's happening. Okay, so we went above that, and then we're testing. All right, let's continue to keep watching this. Now it's even 7. Okay, the time. Let's see what this next candle comes in, and let's see what it does. See if we retest that or not, and then we could go to the next. We can go on to the next thing. So that's the 15-minute chart. Wow, Bitcoin's back at 21,123. Okay, so that's definitely a cool thing to see. All right. You can see how when it pulls below those moving averages, those are the best times to put those trades in. Like when you see that drop, like this drop like this, you know that eventually it's going to come back to that moving average. So that's like what you would do for trade. But the best times to trade would be during the New York Open sessions. Set your trades, because that's when the market moves the most, during those sessions. So that's what we got to say about that. They moved the most during those sessions. So, okay. The DXY is crazy. Gold, let's take a look at gold. Okay. Let me go back to the 30. I like the 30-minute. The 30-minute and then the 1 hour. So look at this, people. For gold, actually. And then let's go ahead and look up oil right here, because oil had that pullback. That's good. That's gonna be good for overall for all of us. You know, for everybody. it's gonna be good. The price of gas coming down will, you know, cause stuff to slowly trickle back to us, the consumers, you know. 5 years ago now. Okay, so let's see what else we got. That was in the most viewed. All right, trending. See what it does when it hops over there, and then gainers and losers. So we just talked about trending. Let's see what gainers and losers. Let's go ahead and take a look at what are the gainers. So look at this: Monero, XMR, top gainers, top losers. Okay, so ETC has been doing pretty damn good, you know. That's been doing pretty good. What else do we got here? USDD. Let's go ahead and check that out. That's on Ethereum, USDD. It says that, and then, okay. Let's go back. Tron. Monero, ICP, you know. Okay, and then let's see, top losers. Oh, let's go. Let's see what the spotlight has to say. So the spotlight is telling us biggest gainers, biggest losers. So biggest QTUM and OKB. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. I don't know too much about it. Quantum, source, platform. Okay, it's interesting, but it's not on the chain. I was just trying to see if it was like on the Binance. With Binance, I like the coins trading on the Binance Smart Chain, but obviously this is on Ethereum. OKB. That's definitely, that gains some momentum here. Ethereum Classic, Monero, ICP. See more. Biggest gainers. Let's go ahead and see what else they got going on. Okay. Let's go on over to CoinGecko. Let's go ahead and hit up CoinGecko and see what we got here. Okay, CoinGecko. Bitcoin coming in at 21,009. Okay. That's cool. ETH. So these are flat, and look at it, it's down on a 7-day. But you gotta remember that we had that pump. Alright, so let's go ahead to the gainers and losers of okay. So this is the one that's pretty crazy. Look at this. Waltswap, Wex. Interesting. That came up. That was something I was actually in a long time ago. And I don't know why all of a sudden I'll have to look into that and see where that came from, where that up came from. Where that pump came from. I'll have to see that, because I was in that, and that was a pretty good farming platform, and then they died. So I did use them for a while, and I earned some stuff on the farms, you know, and it was pretty cool. Babyswap was my biggest farming that I can say. Babyswap was my biggest farm. So that was my biggest farm, Babyswap. I used them with PancakeSwap actually in the beginning. I used a lot. That's what I did before plastic. And that's what I started off with. Okay, and then that's how I started off. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Alright. What else we got going on here? We got crypto watch. Alright. Top gainers and losers. Okay. And we have, oh, yeah, it's pretty crazy how you see the market moving. Okay, so we do have a little bit of an upside movement on Bitcoin, which is good. I like to see that. And then BNB to 246. Alright, that's awesome. Well, mad love to all you guys that stopped by and just hung out, chilled, rated, talked crypto, and just rocked out here at Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the